most suicide arms. I offer my love and pranam so that divine Lotus feet. Esteemed elders, Deputy Central Coordinator of West Indies, Brother Vijay C., our President Dr. Shyam Ramayan, former President, Vice Presidents, Chairman, Regional Coordinating Committee, sisters, brothers, our ideal silent messengers of Sai Love, our specially invited guests, Brother Dominic Sai, loving Sai Rams, a most cordial welcome to this evening's Vedic class. Class will start shortly. Mine is a pleasant task to introduce our brother, just to give you an idea this evening. Today's class will be a 45-minute session, and the next class would be at Wednesday and Friday. And weekend is free, and following week we come again. So from Wednesday we'll have double class. Sisters and brothers, special welcome. It was a dream of Brother Paras, and many devotees have revealed to me that they were having dreams. They always dream of learning Vedas. Swami said the whole world should chant Vedas. And I know a couple of years now, Brother Paras Singh has been echoing the sentiments, and Swami is finally making this happen. So we thank Swami for this divine instrument, Brother Paras Singh, for making this all possible. Brother Dominic Sai hails from the land of Bharat, as you all know. His scholastic ability is MBA in marketing. He has had that divine privilege to perform. He's the main character in drama that was presented from his state, like we did West Indies offering. He was one of the main characters there, and Swami blessed after and gave them safari cloth and so on, personally from Swami's hand. He was able to receive his sister, teaches in Swami's college. And while in Prashanti, I used to observe him, we'd always look, we didn't talk much, but Sairam, the heart connection was there. Other people from Europe Union and so on. And so you see how this whole divine drama of Swami is playing off. He's highly sought after in India by mostly the Westerners from Latin America and Europe, and he started to teach them Veda classes. Some brothers from Brazil, they got a video camera and they started to record it on DVD, and this went on for months and months with a lot of sleepless nights. Probably 4 hours sleep they were getting. This tremendous favor was undertook, and so Brother Dominic Sai is known in Latin America and across the world through these DVDs. He's an international teacher. I consider it my good fortune to be there, I think if memory serves me right, on 27th December 2012 for the children's offering, when these DVDs were presented.
2010.
The DVDs and pictures were presented to Swami and
in 2010.
2010, right, and it was blessed. I happen to be sitting right behind the guy, Brother Dominic. Yeah. So we are indeed blessed, and Brother has a lot of experience in teaching the Vedas, so he will make it very simple for us. So I know we have some fears, not only Sanskrit, all that. I think all that he's quite capable. We have full confidence in him. So without further ado, I'd like to call Brother Dominic. I'd like to call our Deputy Central Coordinator and our President to assist. Brother Dominic, we'd like you to light a lamp and firstly chant a mantra to help us invoke Swami's grace so that we could really learn this Vedas with confidence and retain it and put it over with use, our transformation. So I'd like to call you now to light the lamp and then come chant the mantra, and you can further introduce yourselves and take the class. So the floor is yours, Brother Dominic Sai. Brother Vinch,
साईश्वराय नमः। हरिः ओम्। गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम्। ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नो दिवः सेदसादनम्। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजे विद्वादिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु। गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
My humble pranams, Swami's lotus feet. I'm very blessed to be here and a part of Swami's mission, that is Veda Bhushan. I'm more practical, I just go to the class and do class. So we will start class, no much talking. What I like taking classes, and when I don't take class, then I feel I'm not living, I'm dead. It always happened when I was in India. Whenever I have no work and Puttaparthi also, and nobody is coming in my class, that time I feel like I'm doing nothing and my life is going away, wasted. So, not talking much, we will start our class right now. We all together will chant Ganapati Prarthana. First one is Saishwaraya Namaha.
ॐ साईश्वराय नमः। हरिः ओम्। गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम्। ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नो दिवः सेदसादनम्। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजे विद्वादिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु। गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। We'll start with Ganapati Prarthana. Follow me. साईश्वराय नमः। साईश्वराय नमः। साईश्वराय नमः। साईश्वराय नमः। हरिः ओम्। हरिः ओम्। कवीनाम् गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमम् उपमश्रवस्तमम् गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम्. Now we will go through the text. I will chant 3 times this line. You go through the text and chant inside with your lip and tongue movement. Sa Ishwaraya Nam. Chant with me, but inside, without sound. No? Sa Ishwaraya Namaha Hari Om. Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam. Sa Ishwaraya Namaha Hari Om. Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam. Sa Ishwaraya Namaha Hari Om. Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam. Now with me. Sa Ishwaraya Namaha Hari Om. Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam. Again. Sa Ishwaraya Namaha Hari Om. Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam. Sa Ishwaraya Namaha. Sa Ishwaraya Namaha. Hari Om. Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam. Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam. Jyeshtarajam. 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 Brahmanam. 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 Jyeshtarajam. 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 Brahmanam. 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 Brahmanas. 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 Brahmanam. Brahmanas. Brahmanam. Brahmanas. Jyeshtarajam. 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 Brahmanam. Brahmanam. Jyeshtarajam. Jyeshtarajam. Brahmanam. Brahmanam. Brahmanaspada. शृण्वन्नोति शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्ते 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 दसादनम् शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्ते दसादनम् शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्ते दसादनम् शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्ते दसादनम् ज्येष्ठराजम् ब्रह्मणाम् ज्येष्ठराजम् ब्रह्मणाम् ब्रह्मणस्पदानश् शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्ते शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्ते प्रसादनम् I will chant this line 3 times, 4th time you join me. ज्येष्ठराजम् ब्रह्मणाम् ब्रह्मणस्पदानः शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्ते प्रसादनम् 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 ज्येष्ठराजम् ब्रह्मणाम् ब्रह्मणस्पदानः शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्ते प्रसादनम्. Together, chant. सा ईश्वराय नमः हरिः ओम् गणानां त्वा गणपतिं भवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजम् ब्रह्मणाम् ब्रह्मणस्पदानः शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्ते प्रसादनम्. The text here is not for reading actually. This is just for reference. When we are chanting, the first word we know, Gananam Tva. So what is the next word we want to know? Then we have to just look at there. But if you start reading letter by letter, then you will lose intonation. So that's why I am covering when I am chanting, when we are following. So that time I am covering it. But this is just for reference. So take it as a reference and use more your memory. Again we chant. Ganapati Prarthana, first 2 lines are Ganapati Prarthana, invocation to Lord Ganesha. Then we will go to the next 2 lines, that is Saraswati Prarthana, invocation to Lord Mother Saraswati. Prano Devi, 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 Saraswati, 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 Prano Devi, सरस्वती वाजे वाजेभिर् 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 वाजिनीवती वाजिनीवती प्रणो देवी प्रणो देवी सरस्वती प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर् वाजिनीवती वाजेभिर् वाजिनीवती वाजिनीवती प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर् 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 वाजिनीवती together Om Sai Ishwaraya Namaha Hari Om Gananava Ganamatigum Avamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jeshwarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspadana Shrilvanno Divissidrasadanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vajeभिर् Vajiनीवती Okay, again. Sai Ishwaraya together. Sai Ishwaraya Namaha Hari Om Gananava Ganamatigum Avamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jeshwarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspadana Shrilvanno Divissidrasadanam Prano Devi Saraswati chant second line. So Saishwaraya Namaha I will chant, you chant Hari Om. Then Gananam I will chant, you chant Jeshwaraya. Saishwaraya Namaha Hari Om. Gananam Ganapati Hawamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam
Jeshwarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Shrinvanno Divisirasaranam.
When you pick Jesh, you have to come from the lower. Jeshwarajam like this. The pronoun Gananam I will chant the second line. Gananam Ganapati Hawamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam
Jeshwarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Shrinvanno Divisirasaranam.
Prano Devi Saraswati Vadevi Valinivati
Jnana Vikrayavatu
Ganeshaya Namaha
Saraswate Namaha.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Hari Om.
Okay, now you start from Saishwara. 1, 2, 3, start.
Saishwaraya Namaha.
Hari Om.
Gananam Ganapati Hawamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam.
Jeshwarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Shrinvanno Divisirasaranam
Prano Devi Saraswati Vajevati
Namavitrayavatu
Ganeshaya Namaha.
Saraswatyai Namaha
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Hari Om. Okay, now we all will stand. So, brothers will chant first line. Saishwaraya Namaha.
Gananam Ganapati Hawamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam.
Jeshwarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Shrinvanno Divisirasaranam.
Again. Gananam. Then Jeshwarajam. Jeshwarajam.
Gananam Ganapati Hawamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam.
Jeshwarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Shrinvanno Divisirasaranam.
Ana, we will change it to Anash because we are joining the next word is Shrin. So, joining, we will change it to Anash Shrinvan. We will change it like this. Again, Ganana.
Gananam Ganapati Hawamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam.
Jeshwarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Shrinvanno Divisirasaranam.
Prano
Devi Saraswati Vajevati
Namavitrayavatu
Ganeshaya Namaha.
Saraswate Namaha.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Hari Om.
Saishwara. 1, 2, 3, start. Saishwaraya Namaha.
Hari Om.
Gananam Ganapati Hawamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam.
One line will chant with one breath. So breathe properly and chant properly. Don't break in between and don't breathe in between. Saishwara. 1, 2, 3. Saishwaraya Namaha.
Hari Om.
Gananam Ganapati Hawamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam.
not wash. Vastamam. Vastamam.
Vastamam.
Upamashra.
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 Vasta.
Vasta.
Upamashra vasta.
Upamashra vasta.
Mam.
Mam.
Mam. Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
Upamashra vasta mam.
येषराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पद आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्
देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजनीवती
धीनामभित्रयवतु
गणेशाय नमः
सरस्वत्यै नमः
श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः
हरिः ओम्
साईश्वराय
नमः
हरिः ओम्
गणपतिगुं भवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम्
ईश्वरानं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पदानं श्रीमन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादनं
प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती
नीनामभित्रयवतु
गणेशाय नमः
सरस्वत्यै नमः
श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः
हरिः
ईश्वराय नमः हरिः ओम् गणपतिगुं भवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पदानः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणयो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामभित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्
After every line, we have to give little pause so that we can breathe in properly. If any doubt in the first Ganapati Prarthana and Saraswati Prarthana, Saraswatyai Namaha.
Saraswatyai Namaha.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Right. Saraswati, till that point is low, then no. Any other? Any word is difficult, not coming out? If you will tell me, then I can help you. Sai Swaras?
Kavina, Mupa,
Kavim.
last line.
Upamashra Vastamam. Kavinam Upamashra Vastamam. Okay. Kavim. Kavim. This Kavim will change to Kaving. Kaving. Okay. Kaving. When we are joining two words, the next word is from again Ka. So it will be Kaving. Kaving Kavinam. Now Upamashra we will not chant separately. We will chant as Mupamashra. Kaving Kavina Mupamashra Vastamam. Kavina Mupamashra Vastamam. Kaving Kavina Mupamashra. 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 Vastamam. Mupamashra. don't look there, look at me. Mu pamashra. Mu pamashra. Mu pamashra. Mu pamashra vastamam. Mu pamashra vastamam. Mu pamashra vastamam. Mu pamashra vastamam. Kavinam upamashra vastamam. Kavinam upamashra vastamam. Kavinam upamashra vastamam. Kavinam upamashra vastamam. Any other doubt? We will chant again together, then we will do the next one. Saishwaraya Namaha. Harihi Om. Gananam tva Ganapatikum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam. Jeshalatam Brahmanam Brahmanaspadaharam Shrilvando Dinisidasadanam. Prano Devi Saraswati Vade Brahmagini Dhirama Vikrayavato Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatyai Namaha Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. We have time? Time over? We can. So we can go for the next chant. This is the we can go this. Follow me. Swasti. 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 Swasti prajabhya. 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 Paripala. Paripala. Paripalayan. 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 Swasti prajabhya. Swasti prajabhya. Swasti prajabhya. Swasti prajabhya. Swasti prajabhya. Swasti prajabhya. Paripalayantam. 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 Swasti prajabhya. 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 Paripalayantam. Listen, fourth time you listen, fifth time you join. Swasti prajabhya. Paripalayantam. 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 Nyayena. 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 Margena. 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 Nyayena. Nyayena. Margena. Margena. Nyayena. Nyayena. Margena. 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 Nyayena. Margena. three times. न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः 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 स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
गो
गो
ब्राह्मणे
गो ब्राह्मणे
गो ब्राह्मणे
गो ब्राह्मणे
गो ब्राह्मणे
गो ब्राह्मणे
गो ब्राह्मणे
गो ब्राह्मणे
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः
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 शुभमस्तु
शुभमस्तु
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः
शुभमस्तु
शुभमस्तु
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः 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 शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः
प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो
भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः
न्याये like this न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् परिपालयन्ताम्
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः
गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो
भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
Now you start with the first line.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम्
न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः
गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
Three times. Clear? All is clear? Any doubt? Mahim Mahishah Swasti Prajabhyat Paripalayantam Swasti Prajabhyat Swasti Prajabhyat Paripalayantam. Clear? You will chant together from this. We all will stand up.
Om Sri Saranam. Saranam, thank you very much. And certainly welcome to Trinidad and Tobago, the shores of Trinidad and Tobago, and certainly the Central region. It's a pleasure for us to have you, and we look forward to another 22 sessions. So just before we break, because we've come to the end, and I know there's a few questions that we all wanted, so maybe Brother Fezas, maybe you could help us. So in terms of days, we have finalized on, in Central, will be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And the time it will start is 7. Just for information, in the morning period, it is being done in Southeast at Rio Clara Site Center. In the north, it is being done on the same days as Central, but starting at 4, and south, 4:30 at south. North is 4:30. Okay, 4:30 in north, and south is on the alternate days. So we are Monday, Wednesday, Friday. South is Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Sunday. Alright? So that's just to give you that journal. So in event you may have missed a class in Central, at least you're aware where you might be able to catch up. Right? So that's in terms of days and time. Brother, the question has come is reference material as you refer to it. Do we need to have reference material for everyone? I know there's a question. You have it, right?
Soft copy I have.
Okay.
Maybe we can take it.
Alright, so okay. So we will take it and we will photocopy it. Now I have all the names here. I have 51 females and 23 males, which was an excellent start. So we did 54 starting. So that was excellent. So we will try and get the copies. So when you come on Wednesday, everybody will have the copies to be able to continue revising. Any other questions anybody may have before we break? Sister.
This CD that the brother had considered the great chant, does he have any here?
Yeah, we will give it.
So the CDs are also available. The DVD, sorry. The video DVD.
Video class, but we will get you later.
Okay? So if anybody has an interest in that, I'm going to make a register of all the names. So whenever you come, you sign in. If you're interested, you can just put it next to it, and then we see how we coordinate getting it. Alright? So there'll be a register every time you come in, so at least we could collect that. Any other questions before we close? Sorry, Faris. One question.